Take a moment to check out the 2018 Chrysler Pacifica. With less than 60,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Pacifica delivers the ultimate in family-focused transportation. Its excellent ergonomics, amenities, and safety features inspire confidence and assure comfort for everyone. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, fog lamps, power liftgate, heated mirrors, satellite radio, backup camera, aluminum wheels, heated front seat, third row seat. It's so enjoyable to drive, you might forget it's a minivan. Take the Pacifica out for a drive and see for yourself.